The Android CPU tier list is a way to rank smartphone processors based on how powerful and fast they are. It helps beginners understand which CPUs are good for simple tasks, gaming, or heavy work like video editing. Here's a simple explanation with examples and easy analogies. A CPU, or central processing unit, is like the brain of your phone. It runs apps, games, and everything you do. A tier list groups CPUs into levels based on their performance. Think of it as sorting cars by speed and power: small city cars, family sedans, and sports cars. Entry-level CPUs are like small city cars. They are good for basic tasks such as browsing, watching videos, and chatting. Examples include the MediaTek Dimensity 8100 or Snapdragon 7's Gen 3. These CPUs have fewer cores or slower speeds, so they handle simple jobs well but struggle with heavy gaming or multitasking. Mid-range CPUs are like family sedans that are more powerful and versatile. They can do multitasking, light to moderate gaming, and some photo or video editing. Examples are the Snapdragon 888, Exynos 1580, or Google Tensor G2. These CPUs have more cores and faster speeds, so they balance price and performance nicely. High-end CPUs are like sports car engines. They are made for heavy gaming, video editing, 3D work, and running many apps at once. Examples include the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 and Snapdragon 888 Plus. These CPUs have powerful cores and high clock speeds, making them fast and efficient for demanding tasks. To imagine CPU cores, think of each core as an oven in your kitchen. More ovens mean you can cook more dishes at the same time. Entry-level CPUs have 1 to 2 ovens or cores, so you cook one dish at a time. Mid-range CPUs have 4 to 6 ovens, so you can bake several dishes simultaneously. High-end CPUs have 8 or more ovens, perfect for big parties where many dishes are cooked at once. Some CPUs are more efficient because modern designs mix big, powerful cores with smaller, efficient ones. Big cores are like sports cars, fast but use more fuel. Small cores are like scooters, slower but save energy. This mix helps phones run smoothly and save battery life. To summarize, entry-level CPUs are like small city cars suitable for browsing, videos, and chatting, with examples such as the Dimensity 8100 and Snapdragon 7's, usually having 1 to 2 cores. Mid-range CPUs resemble family sedans that handle light gaming and multitasking, like the Snapdragon 888 and Tensor G2, with 4 to 6 cores. High-end CPUs are like sports cars designed for heavy gaming and editing, such as the Dimensity 9000 and Snapdragon 888 Plus, featuring 8 or more cores. This tier list helps you pick the right phone CPU based on what you want to do. If you only use your phone for simple tasks, entry-level is fine. For gaming or creative work, mid-range or high-end CPUs are better choices.